Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing tacos out of some smoked salmon. Now we've lit our SNS Kamado. The next thing we need to do is season the salmon using our favourite seafood rub. Mine is the Flaming Coals Greek Gyro rub. Although this rub is great on Greek gyro, it's also an amazing all-purpose rub and goes perfectly on seafood. Today I'm using the stainless steel SNS drip and griddle pan to cook the salmon on. That's because the salmon is very delicate and we don't want it to fall through the grill. Now that our Kamado is up to temperature, we're going to add our smoking wood for extra flavour. Today I'm using peach, but you could use any light flavoured fruit wood. It's time to put the salmon in the grill. Our salmon's been cooking for just over 1 hour at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's open up the Kamado and see how it's tracking. That looks absolutely amazing. It's got this nice golden brown colour. We'll probe it just to make sure it's done. So our target temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This is sitting at 142 degrees. Absolutely perfect. Our salmon's just come out of the smoker, and here we have our simple taco ingredients. So we have some slaw, some lettuce, tomato, guacamole, and salsa. But you can put anything in tacos, whether it's jalapenos, cheese, the limit's up to you. Now, just before we start to assemble it all together, we're going to pop our corn taco shells in the smoker just to give it that extra crunch. Now it's time to assemble our tacos. So there you have it. Our tacos are all ready. The only thing left to do is to dig in. Warning, this is going to get messy. That's super smoky and super good. To stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.